Along with freezing panes, you can also do something called splitting panes. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's say I want to look at this order right here at the top, but maybe I also want to look at an order at the very bottom, and I want to compare them. But right now I'd have to go all the way to the bottom, then I'd have to jump all the way back up to the top. Now, to jump down or jump up, I press Control down arrow and Control up arrow, and that allows me to jump all the way to the bottom or all the way back to the top. Now, I want to compare these two orders, but how do I do that easily? Well, just like we were freezing panes, we can also split the panes. Here, I'll place my current cell selection over here on the left-hand side, and right up next to freeze panes, there's also the option to split. I'll click on this, and this splits the pane now. I can leave this top pane focused on this top order, and here I can jump all the way to the bottom and see the last order. Now I can compare these two separate orders. If I want to unsplit these again, here I could simply double click on that line and that unsplits. Or here, once again, let me turn it back on. I could also toggle this button to turn it off. Split panes, once again, works the same way as freeze panes. Here, I could place my cell selection up here, and here I could split the panes, and that'll split it vertically. Here, I'll turn it off again. And just like with freeze panes, once again, I could place my cell selection here, and it'll split the panes above this line and to the left of this line. Here I could split the panes, and now I have all these separate panes that I could look at. Now, once again, I'm not sure if this is as useful, but you do have that option. Once again, to turn it off, I can simply double click on this line and double click on that line.